I just got back from doing an assignment, and right now I am so upset. Something happened that really upset me, and so tomorrow I will be having a business lunch meeting, and I had previously planned to just wear any of the outfits I already had in my wardrobe. But because right now I feel angry, I need to do something. Whenever I am angry, I express it creatively because for some reason, when I'm doing something that I enjoy doing, I just forget about what upsets me and I'm happy again because right now I'm not happy at all. I'm just so pissed. Then I realized that there is this fabric that I got, and I think I'm going to create something. I want to remove my mind from work, school, anything. I just want to focus on sewing because I enjoy sewing. So I started cutting out the pattern and the fabric. I was actually happy that I was making this video because I get to post this on my sewing channel. So yes, I actually have a channel where I teach people how to sew, but this video is not about that. This video is basically about how my day went, but I'll give you some gist now. See, sewing in the UK, especially in Lincoln, Nobiam, look at the lining. If you are familiar with sewing, look at this rubber. Good dude. This is something that literally stresses me about sewing because I'm used to making outfits with great material. See, it's cut. Ordinary iron I was ironing, the next thing, this thing just burnt. Like, that's the reason why since I've been in Lincoln, I've just focused on making ready-to-wear dresses, because for ready-to-wear dresses, it's just simple styles and I am the one deciding the styles. But you see, when someone gives me clothes to make, imagine me making an outfit for a client and I'm using rubber lining. Like, the fabrics and the resources to make lots of amazing and best styles in this Lincoln, where are they? Even the sewing store, or the, no, not even sewing store, the fabric store where they sell lots of these fabrics, they don't even house African stuff. Then of course, even the small ones that we say let's manage, they are ridiculously expensive. For instance, this fabric you're looking at here is not small money. God, too. My sewing life is one aspect of my life that has suffered, literally, and it hurts me. But sometimes it is what it is because something has to give, and right now other things are priorities. But besties, sewing just has a way of relaxing me. It just makes my mind day cooler. Especially when I see the result of whatever outfit I'm making. I'm like, Ada, you're good. I'll start hyping myself. Then of course, people will always hype me, and that just takes the notch. Now, one beautiful thing about my sewing is that I'm actually very fast. I make clothes very fast. Some of my friends mock me that I hope one day I will not end up making my wedding dress on my wedding day. I don't know. Well, this dress or this outfit was made in 3 hours, and I think that was pretty amazing. I just finished. I am really tired. I just want to sleep. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. See, fine girl now. So I was in class, and after class I went for the business meeting. It was at Doubletree by Hilton. This is a place I've been to before and I actually love it. No competition for my lady. I did not have any dessert because I don't eat cakes, but I had this the rice and curry sauce. The only thing is I wish there was pepper, but no. Well, yeah, it is what it is. Then after the meeting at Hilton, we went to a bar. This is called Carousel Bar, and I had this amazing mocktail. It is so dramatic. Look at it. It's called Tropicana something something something. It actually tasted so well, and I appreciated that because I don't take alcohol, so I appreciate a great mocktail. Now, in this carousel, I love the fact that the place is quite lit. I love the lighting, and of course there was a photo booth right there. I was going to the toilet, and that's just basically it. Now, after carousel, instead of us to go back home or go wherever or go just leave, Where did we go to? Another bar, which is something I find quite funny about British people. They like the idea of moving from bar to bar, but that's not me. That's not my style. If I go to one place, if I enjoy it, I will just stay there. Because I was enjoying carousel, but no, we went to the straight and narrow bar. Another bar. I have actually been to this bar before, and that time I had apple juice. If I had known, I would have told them to still give me apple juice, but no, I said I wanted adventure because I had that amazing mocktail at carousel. I'm like, okay, give me a fruity mocktail. But besties, the mocktail they gave me was not mocktailing at all. I told them, give me a fruity mocktail, but see, they just pack strawberry. Yes, I said I wanted it fruity, but not the type that it would just be calm down. And I'm not even a huge fan of strawberries, so it was just too much. I didn't like the drink. Then we moved on to Kind, which is a restaurant I've actually talked about on this channel. I'll be dropping the link to a video where I recommended and gave my opinions about lots of restaurants in Lincoln. So besties, I've said it before on this channel and I will say it again. If you are looking for a restaurant in Lincoln that their burger and their sandwich is on steroids, try Kind and thank me later. I actually did not spend so much time at Kind because tomorrow would be a very busy day for me and I just need that break. So I went back home and did the introductory part of my sewing video. So that is about the making of this beautiful top. See besties, to be a content creator is not easy at all. Hey, good. But we thank God. So after doing the introduction and the conclusion of this video for my sewing channel, I called it a day. I slept off and we thank God. So besties, I'm so proud that the time I would have wasted sulking or complaining, I just used it to create this beautiful top. Let me use this opportunity to give an advice. When you are overwhelmed with emotions, be it positive or negative emotions, that is not the time to do anything about it. So yes, you are right now excited or you are really upset about something. That is not the time to do anything about it, because most times when we are overwhelmed with emotions, we make very stupid decisions and actions. So it's always better to unwind and regain your emotions. At that point, whatever you do will be coming from a place of stability and high emotional intelligence. Apart from sewing, another way I do this is by journaling, writing down how I feel about what has happened, and that just helps me. It changes my perspective about situations, and I think it's a great attitude to imbibe. Now besties, if you've enjoyed this video, you are definitely, very definitely going to enjoy the video where I talked about restaurants in Lincoln. Bye guys.